Hi guys, it's Vacool here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of Zowie EC2 Tyloo Edition mouse, which is like Zowie EC2 but red, and Tyloo is written on the left side of the mouse if I remember well. Okay, let's just start with the opening. What we have here. Okay, it's just a receipt and something there. Okay, what is it? Yo, what is it? What the fuck is it? I think it's empty. I think it is. Okay, I can open it like that. Okay, it's empty. Okay, never mind then. And we have to like go here. Let's see what in the box. And it's a Zowie mouse. Here and maybe something more. I don't think so. Just let's look. Let's give a look. No, it's empty. Okay, so we have our Zowie EC2. It looks kinda nice. I mean, the box looks nice for sure. Okay, as you can see, the Tyloo Edition, Special Edition, even you can see that. And how I can open it? Like from the top maybe? Yeah, okay, from the top. So like a normal thing to everyone. Wait, I don't have a knife. It sucks then. Maybe I will make it like that. No? It will be hard, for sure, for sure. You know what, I don't want to... Okay, let's just wait a minute, I will like cut this off. Okay, I'm back. Unfortunately, I did some damage to the box. So it would be good if mouse is very good and without any bad condition. Okay, how to open it? Like this. And we have to grab it like that. Oh shit, it's very hard with my hands. Is it something here? No, it's empty. And you can see it. A beautiful mouse, red, full red, and white buttons on it, and white cable as well. Is something here? No. We can open it like this, I think. No, for one more. Oh shit! I have to open it like that. Oh fuck! I have to cut it with a knife. Okay, I will be back soon. Okay, I'm back. I cut it with my pen instead of a knife because I don't remember when my knife is, to be honest. So let's open it. It looks like this, and just for the mouse. And what do we have here? Okay, mouse is kinda, what I can say, kinda looking nice, to be honest. Really nice. Very shiny red. And here you can see BenQ, and on the left side here you can see a Tyloo, but can I show it? Oh, Tyloo, as you can see, so it looks really good. We have here a slides to the mouse and Zowie sticker, warranty information. So maybe I enjoyed the box, so I don't want to give a warranty, so it will be good. And what is it? It's a book, how to use it, right? Yeah, like in everything, in today's time. So I'll just try it, and I will tell you a review about this mouse. And I have to try it myself. Yo, I was thinking that it's a white cable, but it's a gray cable. Wow. Okay. I think like this sheet changes everything, right? No, it isn't, so... Okay. Let's just not talk about it. So, after playing a couple of games, I will tell you how if this mouse is good or not, and what I think about it. I've played couple games of CSGO and League of Legends, and now I can finally give my review about this mouse, the Zowie EC2 Tyloo Edition. To be honest, I really feel comfortable with this mouse in my hand because it's profit for the right hand and I'm a right-handed person. And overall, I really like the feature that your second finger is higher than a third finger, because it just sometimes helps you. But if you really like the balance, I will not recommend this mouse, because as you can see, the finger on your left side is going to be much higher than on the right side, because this is how this mouse is produced, right? Overall, I really like the white buttons on the mouse, and I can say that the scroll is very loud, to be honest. You can hear it actually. The funny feature is that you can switch here a polling rate with just a simple button, and DPI. You have 4 modes. First is the red one with 400 DPI. Second one is with 800 DPI. The third one is with 1600 DPI, and fourth is with 3200 DPI. You can just switch it like this, and you have a mode with the color, which is really cool feature. Overall, to be honest, in the CSGO, I feel a massive difference between my old mouse, which was Bloody P85, if I remember well. Yeah, I think it was it. And in CSGO, I feel massive difference. To be honest, I feel much better with this mouse in CSGO, but in League of Legends there is like no massive difference, because League of Legends is not a fast game, right? When in CSGO every second counts and is very important, then this mouse is gonna help you very much. I think that this mouse is one of the top, which you can buy actually right now in the store. So if you want to like grind in the CSGO and try to be better, this mouse will help you a lot. And in League of Legends you can actually go with every mouse you can actually get, because it's not that much important. If I remember well, in the League of Legends, better mouses are the laser type mouses, and this one is an optic mouse. But overall, as you can see, this mouse looks beautiful and I really like about it. But overall, I think that that was a good price for it, because that's on high-end, because this mouse is a high-end mouse, and I had to put sliders because the weight of this mouse was too low for me, because like I was playing with cheap mouse, which are mostly with a high weight. But this mouse, like I said, is very, very skinny if we will compare it to the other ones. So overall, I think this mouse is cool to grab. If you can really afford it and you want to play CSGO, then I would go for it. So that was everything today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, write a comment what you think about it, and see you soon, guys.